Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Sarena Audinisha, NIM 21104-222019 from KBA class. In this video, I will present my paper about the positive impact of monosodium glutamate on humans and plants. At first, we need to know what is monosodium glutamate. Monosodium glutamate is a sodium salt of one of the non-essential amino acids, glutamic acid, which will function as a flavor enhancer and flavoring when added to food, especially foods containing protein. Monosodium glutamate itself has no taste, but when added to food, free glutamic acid is formed, which is captured by special receptors in the brain and presents the basic taste in the food to be much more delicious and savory. We usually use monosodium glutamate for our food to make it tastier. In Indonesia, monosodium glutamate referred as Ajinomoto, and we can find it easily on mini market. And mostly, Chinese food use monosodium glutamate as a flavor enhancer. As is well known, monosodium glutamate has many enthusiasts among the Indonesian people. The use of monosodium glutamate in food consumed every day is no longer controlled. In 1959, the Food and Drug Administration in America classified monosodium glutamate as generally recognized acid or GRAS, so there is no need for special rules. But in 1968, a report appeared in the New England Journal of Medicine about complaint of several disorders after eating at Chinese restaurants. So it was called Chinese restaurant syndrome because its composition is considered significant in the dish. Monosodium glutamate is suspected to be the cause, but scientific evidence has not been reported. In 1970, the FDA decided to set a safe limit for consuming monosodium glutamate per day according to body weight. I already prepared the graphic content of MSG. MSG content. MSG contains water 10%, sodium 12%, and glutamate 78%. Before we use monosodium glutamate as a flavor enhancer, we need to know how monosodium glutamate was found and produced for everyone, just like we did this day. Before monosodium glutamate was found, in ancient times, the Japanese used a seaweed called Laminaria japonica in many of their dishes as a flavoring. Foods that have been mixed with this seaweed will have a richer and stronger taste. Laminaria japonica was found along the cold water coast at the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, sometimes known as tangles. Laminaria species can form vast forest-like kelp beds and provide habitat for many types of fish and invertebrates. Japanese used to call Laminaria japonica with kombu. Kombu that is used in Japanese cooking is a species of kelp that is found in the sea around the Hokkaido area. The primary usage for kombu is to make Japanese soup called kombu dashi and many other simmered and hot dishes. The seaweed is reconstituted by soaking or heating gently in water, but it should not be boiled. Kombu dashi is everyone's favorite because the taste is richer and stronger. Because of the unique taste of Laminaria japonica, in 1908, a professor at the University of Tokyo, Kikune Ikeda, researched the seaweed Laminaria japonica. In the research he has done, Kikune Ikeda found the key to deliciousness which lies in the glutamic acid contained in Laminaria japonica. The discovery made by Kikune Ikeda succeeded in completing the four flavors that has existed before, namely sour, sweet, salty, bitter, and most recently, umami. Umami comes from the word umai, which in Japanese means delicious. The umami taste is described as a combination of salty, sweet, sour, and savory flavors combined into one and can bind the taste of other foods. Since that discovery, Japan began to produce monosodium glutamate on a large scale. Japan produced glutamic acid through natural extraction called, um, however, due to increasing market demand, Japan is looking for other ways to produce more monosodium glutamate in less time. And then they find the right way to produce monosodium glutamate. They call the way is L-glutamic acid fermentation. Since 1968, Japan and Korea have pioneered the mass production of monosodium glutamate, which has since expanded to all over the world, including Indonesia. All this time, we heard a lot of negative effects in consuming MSG, but there are also some positive effects that monosodium glutamate can have on the human body and even plants. Some of them are stimulating saliva, which makes food easier to digest. Consumption of foods containing additional monosodium glutamate was observed to produce significantly more saliva secretion than after ingesting the same food without added MSG. When food is swallowed, saliva not only acts as a solvent that allows substance to be extracted from the food, but also as glue and lubricant for chewed food that allows it to be swallowed safely. In addition, saliva is important for dental health, immunity, and the prevention of microbial growth. MSG reduced excessive salt intake. Yamaguchi and Takahashi examined difference in the concentration of natrium chloride and monosodium glutamate in soups with reduced sodium content. Yamaguchi and Takahashi were some of the first researchers to examine difference in the concentration of NaCl and MSG in soaps. With reduced sodium content, the authors evaluated the sensory panel through the consumption of sumathi jiru, a popular soup in Japan, made with dried bonito fish. The scale used by the sensory panel varied over a 7-point range, taking into account the amount of natrium chloride and palatability from very strong to very weak. The result is they verified that reducing the amount of natrium chloride did not affect the palatability of the salty taste. With this concentration, it is possible to reduce the sodium content and maintain the salty taste. Next, MSG helps us to fertilize plants and reduce the use of fertilizer. The technique of planting using MSG can also be done yourself at home with the MSG nuts given accordingly and not too much. Its application is quite easy just by mixing 5 till 6 grams of monosodium glutamate or 1 teaspoon into 1 liter of water and then spraying it on the plants once a week. Plants that are routinely sprayed with monosodium glutamate will grow lush.